Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to use Google Authenticator app for Twitter on an Android device. Okay, first you need to install Google Authenticator application on the Play Store. Well, so here open the Twitter or X application on your device. Okay, after that click on profile icon at the top left corner. So in this page, select settings and support option. Then you can click settings and privacy. Well, in this page, please do security and account access. So here you can select security option and activate this option first. Okay, and then choose two-factor authentication, and then you can select authentication app and click get started. So tap link app option and then click OK. Okay, and then you can directly put the code to your Twitter account. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to use Google Authenticator app for Twitter on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.